Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about the issue where Google warns you that they've detected unusual activity on your account. That could be with many reasons if you're trying to log in with another phone or if some case someone else is actually trying to log into your account and has maybe entered the wrong password or the right password. In any case, if they're logging from another account, Google does warn you once. And if this is a change that has not been authorized by you, what you can do is simply you can change the password. You can go to your Google account by pressing on your profile icon. Now that you're on the page where you can manage your Google account, you can simply go to personal info. From there, you have to reach the option from where you can change your password. You need to press right here. And from here, what you need to do is enter your password, and then it will also give you an option to change your password and add a new password. Now that you've entered your old password, from here you can enter a new password, and then you have to confirm your new password, and from there you'll change your password, fixing the issue where they have detected unusual activity. And if someone has actually logged into your account without your permission, they'll automatically be logged out.